poison. Anong tools ang kailangan gusto mo?
Aray! Hindi ko nakita. Sana!
Yun ah!
Sender na bata. Sinalubong tayo ng ano tricks. This kid asked me once, how will he become a member of the Sayote Boys? So come on, I'll show you how. I'll let them grab this rake. Okay, kuha kayo ng ito, pasok ka. Pick your poison. Anong tools ang kailangan gusto mo?
Aray! Hindi ko nakita.
Cartoons ah.
Ito.
I thought I just see that on Tom and Jerry, ano. So i-rake nila to kahit siguro hanggang doon sa kahoy muna doon. Okay. Yan. At least na-rake na nila yung karamihan. Diyan halos ayusin pa nila yan. Very good. Yan. Yan. Oo. Yan. Good. Kahit okay na yan kasi ano yan malalim din dyan. Here's their foreman, the future policeman.
Yeah. The future criminal.
So from there, tuloy natin. Let's follow the truck builder and designer. And most probably the dummy who will test it. You build, you jump. Look at this. Para makita nyo gaano kalaki. How massive the gap is. Alright. It's probably 5 meters. Hindi ito. Okay. So from there, dun ang landing. There. So let's try to walk from the top. Yun ang starting line. That's the starting line there. Okay. And then going down. This jump. Step down. And then follow this line. Okay. I wish I have a drone, so this will be easier. Then land sila dito, going down. Luckily the soil is not wet, or else dudulas lang tayo basta dito. To run. Then to this gap, like around 5 meters. Land here and then sand it here. Should no braking, I think. Para maybe we can land here already. Go this line. Oh, it's still be dead. I think the speed is, I'm not sure about the speed here. Going down. Shoo. This will be fun. Oh, they're still cleaning this line. Going down here. Or I think it's a drop. Yeah, I'm thinking they'll make a drop. Should be a drop. Drop here. already a tire truck, so it means somebody have tried it already. Yep. Go here. Yeah. Oh shit, so hard to control your speed here. Oh, no wonder why they're landing over there. For me, I'll be braking all the way until here, so I'm thinking. Then I don't think I can even climb that. Oh, let's try. Yeah, American Ninja Warrior. Oh, kunak na ko pa yung mauli. Okay. Ayan, nag-iisip siya saan niya papadaanin. Alright, so that's it for now. Yan, let's go to the berms. Warm up. Kung sa likod ko, tatry kong sundan si Jansen. Let's go. Oh, parang ang bilis niya. Pardas. Yeah, pardas yun. Ayos. Nice. Oh, wait, John Din line, take 3. Jansen and Carlo in front of me. Sige. Yuhu. Slidey, slidey. Oh, pwede. Inautar niya ngayon. Kanina nag-inner yun eh. Buti may goggles. Ang ginagawa ko dun, pa-left yan eh. Ang layo na nila. She's gone na naman. Wow. Leksyonan natin dito para wala nang legs. Winner ako, winner. Oh damn. Dito na ako dumaan eh.
Sarap pala ng drop. Tambaw ng tira sa hardtail.